I literally only have 5 minutes to film this video, so let's get started. Greetings, everyone. Today, my June Sephora Play box arrived, and so we're gonna open it. Let's see. What is the theme? Welcome to Beauty Boardwalk. That's cute. I love the bag. I love the neon. That is cute. This is one of my favorite bags so far, I think. I use these bags all the time for different stuff. All right, let's reach in and see what's in here. Oh my goodness! Another Rio de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, the tiny little travel size. I just got one of these in my BoxyCharms. This is my favorite. I actually took the little mini one. It was made in New York City because it's the best. It smells so good, leaves your skin so soft, and just a little bit of a shimmer. It's good. I love this, and I know that this is worth $10. Ooh! I love these lipsticks. This is a Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Queen Bee. Oh, I'm excited. These are really good lipsticks. And that's a really pretty color too. I will be excited to wear this. I will probably wear it this weekend. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Let's see, apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends, comb through, style as usual. So I guess this is an anti-frizz styling cream. I'm glad that it's just a cream and not like a shampoo or anything, because when I get travel sizes of most hair products, I can't really use them. If I do, the whole bottle is in one go because I have so much hair. But I do struggle with frizz from now and then, especially living in Florida during summer. It's so incredibly humid. So I will give this a try. Ooh. Frizz? What frizz? I don't have frizz. All right, let's see. Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I have tried the balm and I really liked it. So this is clearly a liquid. I will give this a shot. Maybe I'll use it tonight. We'll see. Two more things. We have Cover Effects Perfect Setting Powder, Translucent Light. I can't remember who it was that talks about this a lot. I want to say maybe Laura Lee. Open it. Oh, I was opening it from the wrong side. Doy. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh my gosh, that is so small. I am currently looking for a new under eye powder because I ran out of the one I was using. And so I'll give this a shot, but this is so small. Oh, it's so cute though. Last thing. Oh, cool. Something I won't be able to use. Marajo Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. And not only are these not deluxe sample sizes, these are sample sizes, and this will not cover half of my head. I'm kind of disappointed that there's no fragrance in here, but I'm really excited about a lot of the stuff. I'm excited about the powder, the makeup remover, the lotion, and the lipstick. So this was a good box. June has been good for me. I knew it would be. It's my birth month. I was Employee of the Month. Oh, okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.